up quite a bit. I don't know how well you can see me, but it's picked up quite a bit, and we've got local neighbors kind of hanging out for the storm and kind of chatting. I think I lost power about 10-15 minutes ago, so I think that's one more time to drum, just for a little bit. This is going to be a lick drumming thing, and then after this, and I might actually jet my house and go over to Mark's place for a little while. But first I'm going to film some of these idiots. No rain yet, but it's pretty windy. Alright, we're gonna do some licks. I gotta set up my thing though. And you got that guy, that'd be like me. He's got his one phone in one hand and one phone in the other hand. Alright. See if we can get this thing going. Here's from the Blue Knights, back during some Mike Stevens days. Here we go. I'm walking to my car right now because I'm going to go head over to Mark's because they still have power. It's pretty gorgeous out here, actually. I know I'm supposed to be drumming right now, but you know, again, maybe I'll get an opportunity to drum up on the roof. But just wanted to get a little bit of a picture of what's kind of happening out here. The rain just started. My street's pretty deserted, although there are a bunch of people that are actually holing up in those houses. I just had like that conversation with a bunch of them. I think power guys are supposed to come out here eventually, but you know, they're not. When I got the message about it, they said they're not supposed to start doing anything about it unless the winds get below like 35 miles per hour. I don't think we're there yet, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to drive over to Mark's place, pull up for a little bit. I am planning on coming back here. I'm totally covering up the microphone. I am planning on coming back here in the evening because I don't want to leave my cat. So let's see if I can get some drumming going over there too. And sorry you don't really get much of a picture. Let me give you a little bit more. It's pretty gorgeous. The big concern that I've got, really, like my windows are fine. I'm not worried about that. It's more that we've got these big 200-year oak trees in my area. And if that collapses on my roof, then I'm in trouble. But other than that, so far so good. Alright, see ya. Welcome to the top of Amanda and Mark's building. I don't know what I want to play. Cavaliers. Something Cavaliers. I already did the Cavaliers earlier. I can do it again though, since in honor of you. They're not matched because I switched two of the ones that were like two pairs that weren't quite matched, and I matched those to give them to like the to give to the students. So yeah, these two are mismatched. What's that?
I'm not going to share your videos, man. You're recording right now, right?
Whatever. That's what I was just saying. I think that's the Cavaliers simple exercise I learned like that.
Yeah, that's pretty close.
Yeah. trying to do it the right speed. Am I speeding up?
Playing it as a 2-second.
Yeah.
When I see the apartment you could have, it's open.
Why? They move out?
No.
They left all their shit out in the patio, so... And then we found out the door was unlocked, they threw it in the fucking place.
Really? I think we're done for the rainy view right now, but got 2 minutes though. Film a little bit of the overreacting television. It's out there.